friends, welcome to Aussie Boats channel. We are the pontoon boat manufacturer. Nice to see you again. So behind me you can see here are many customers to our factory to check the pontoon boats. So here. And during the discussion we collected several questions. Today I'm going to explain you about these questions. Question 1. We are in different countries and we discuss the boats online. So how should I place the order? Firstly, please share us your purchasing plan, such as the boat sizes, the capacity, and so on. So our salesman will quote you with detailed options. After the confirmation for options, they will draft you a pro forma with our bank information, so you can put your deposit and we will let the production started. So when the boat is completed, we will also help you to book the shipment, and in the meanwhile, you will arrange the balance. The second question, what's the warranty? I believe most friends will care about this. So for the boat, we provide 3 years warranty for hull and 1 year warranty for accessories. For boat hull, normally it won't be with problem. For non-human and force majeure damage, you will fix it at local shipyard and we will undertake it to the bill. If it's unfortunately crashed, the local insurance of boat will also cover that. We will also help provide the material for you to fix it. For accessories, if anything missed, we will send you the replacement. The third question, how will the boat be loaded into container? So we have 2 options for the boat beams. The first one is 2.3 meter and the second one is 2.6 meter. For 2.3 meter boat beam, if the size is not bigger than 19 foot, for 1 unit, we can load it assembly into one 20-foot container. If 2 units, we can load the boats bow to bow, fully assembly into a 40 high cube container. If more sets or bigger sizes, we can load the boat 1 unit assembled, sit onto another semi-assembled boat. For 2.6 meter beam boat, so we can load around 3 to 4 units boats disassembly into a 40-foot high cube container. It depends on the layout. And no worries, we will have the boat instruction video for you. It's just like IKEA furniture. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to follow us. In the next videos, we will show you more surprise details about pontoon boats.